Good day, ma'am and sir. My name is Rizalyn Gulyamiana. I am a Filipino. My religion is Roman Catholic. I am married. I have 3 children. My husband works as a farmer. I have a one brother and one sister. I am the second child in the family. I am a college graduate, Bachelor of Secondary Education, major in English. I attended training before at Luna Colleges and a kindergarten teacher at Kabitnungan Elementary School. My duties are teaching the children how to read and write, also how to sing and dance. I have a domestic experience here in the Philippines before. My duties are cleaning the house to serve well the family, cooking, marketing, and serving my and cooking Filipino dishes. And I am very willing to learn how to cook Chinese dishes, and I am very willing to learn how to speak a Cantonese language. I love to take care of children. I will give them the healthy foods and give them the vitamins, help them to take a bath, wear them clothes, and I will send them to school and teach them after school, tutoring them and love them as my own children. Mom and sir, please do hire me because I am a person, honest, respectful, flexible, and a loving worker. And I will promise I will finish my 2 years contract, and I will promise I will love and respect your family. Thank you, ma'am and sir.